Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com. Coming back to you with another video. Just working on a couple shipments right now, sending stuff into Amazon. And what I want to talk about today is feeding the beast. If you're selling on Amazon especially, and this of course applies if you're selling on eBay, Mercari, really anything in a reselling business, Facebook Marketplace, wherever you're selling stuff, these platforms are so powerful. You know, Amazon, eBay, Mercari, these platforms, you put items on these platforms, they're gonna move. There's so many people buying items online now. It's up to you to make sure that you get out there, find the stuff, and make it available. So what I'm gonna call this video is, you know, the importance of feeding the beast. You know, if your business isn't growing, if you're not making sales, for the most part, it typically has to do with you. You're probably not listing enough, or you're not sending enough items to Amazon FBA. You're not feeding the beast, right? Or maybe the products that you're finding just aren't in demand. That's why it's so important to make sure that you study the sold listings, you research items, you test out different items to see, oh, maybe clothing does better for me on Poshmark, or maybe my vintage clothing does better on Etsy, or maybe my board games do better on Amazon FBA. So there's that experimentation. You know, today's Sunday right now, and every Sunday I like to set my goals and my intentions for how many items I want to list, for how many boxes I want to send to Amazon FBA. And it's important to set a goal. Set a goal at the beginning of the week of how much you're going to list, how much you're going to ship to Amazon, because that beast is hungry. I'm telling you right now, Amazon is hungry. You get products up on Amazon, it sells. You get quality products up on eBay, it sells. The same with Facebook Marketplace. You know, over the last week, Facebook Marketplace has been hot. They're offering free shipping right now, so it's a great opportunity to source products. It's a great opportunity to sell products. The drop shippers are doing well. The folks who are selling the physical products are doing well. Now's a great opportunity, but you've got to feed that beast. You've got to go out and source those items. You got to go out and list those items, and you got to go out and ship those items. So with today being Sunday, like I said, I love to set my goals. Sometimes I like to prep items and ship items out. You gotta feed the beast. The money's out there. It really is, guys, but you gotta go out and you gotta find that inventory. You know, on my channel, we talk about so many different ways to source inventory. We talk about thrift stores, we talk about garage sales. I've interviewed people who drop ship. You don't even have to deal with physical inventory. You know, I've talked about auctions and flea markets and sourcing online arbitrage, wholesale. There's so many ways, but you gotta go out there and you gotta find those products and make them available. Feed the beast. You know, the popularity of the internet and e-commerce, I mean, it is just taking off since all the craziness has been going on over the last couple of years. I mean, we've had 10 years of growth, it feels like, in the last year and a half or so. More and more people are shopping online. There's more and more opportunities. So feed the beast. The beast is hungry, but you got to go out there and acquire those products. You got to go out there, spend an hour a day studying the sold listings, researching items, figuring out where to find products, building relationships. You know, matter of fact, I want to give a big shout out to my buddy Brandon Farr. He's one of my good friends. He's a toy reseller. He actually put me onto a lead where I was able to source 400 books the other day. I might have a video coming out regarding that soon, but my mom and I, we went out, we sourced it, we crushed it, we found a bunch of books, and those relationships can pay dividends for years and years. So just want to send a positive message. I hope you guys have a great week. Go out there, list your items, put a plan together, and make it happen. Much love.